Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to deal with the .NET Framework 4.0 error, or you might be getting this error as well. So this tutorial will help in both these cases. So let's get started. To deal with the error, we need to download a file. Simply go to your browser and search for .NET Framework. Now from the search results, click here. Now from these options, click on this 4.7.2 version. Click on this option and the download will begin. If your download is not getting started, then simply click here to download the file. Once the software gets downloaded, simply run it as administrator. Checkmark this option and click on install. Once the installation is done, simply click on finish and restart your computer. After restart, simply run the apps and this time you will not face the error further. That's it. You can see this time the software opened without any error. So stay tuned to the channel for more such video updates. Thanks for watching.